Hi, everyone. I'm Caitlyn Ennis, and I'm with ISSA's Cleaning Management Institute.
Hi, I'm MJ Cadden. I'm with ISSA Media.
Hi, I'm Asha Vadlamudi, and I'm with GBAC, a division of ISSA.
And I'm Michael Gabrielson with ISSA membership.
ISSA and our family of brands are heading to Baltimore.
We are thrilled to be exhibiting at the upcoming NFMT2022 conference this coming Tuesday. Stop by and see us at booth 1407.
We are all so excited at what the future holds for our industry, with a focus on cleaning for health and healthy environments.
That's right. So stop by to see us in booth 1407 and let ISSA guide you through the latest cleaning industry trends and standards for facility managers.
From all things education, training, and certification programs to the many wonderful benefits of membership, we're really looking forward to connecting with you and getting your team certified.
ISSA Media Brands are here to keep you up to date and current on all your facility management news. We've got the solutions for all your facility management needs.
We're also giving away over $7,500 in prizes in our sweepstakes. It's a win-win for everyone.
So be sure to stop by the ISSA booth at the upcoming NFMT show in booth 1407. See us live and in person and watch your career grow in 2022. See you in Baltimore.